Hi, everyone. Daikon is such a nutritious ingredient, and you can make so many delicious dishes with it. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorites, stir-fried daikon with pork. It's super simple, comes together fast, and tastes absolutely delicious with those wonderful appetizing aromas. First, peel the daikon, trim off the ends, and slice it into thin rounds or shred it, whatever you prefer. Next, thinly slice the shallots. Wash the chives well and cut them into 2 to 3 centimeter pieces. You can swap them for green onions if you'd like. If you enjoy spicy food, go ahead and slice up a chili pepper. For the pork, give it a good rinse with some salt, let it drain, and then slice it into thin, bite-sized pieces. When stir-frying pork, I like to pick cuts with a touch of fat. Think pork shoulder, belly, or cheek, sometimes called peach cheek. These parts stay juicy and rich when you cook them, not dry at all, and they add such a nice, tasty depth. Once it's sliced, marinate the pork with half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder or just a pinch of salt to give it a little extra flavor. A bit of oil in a pan, then toss in the shallots and sauté them until they smell amazing. Add the pork and stir-fry it over medium-high heat. When the pork's just about cooked through, throw in the daikon. Stir everything together so the daikon picks up the oil and those yummy pork juices. Now, season it with half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, a tiny pinch of MSG, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. These really bring out the flavor in the daikon and make it so tasty. Feel free to tweak the seasonings to match your family's taste. Make it your own. Pop a lid on the pan and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes over medium-high heat. This way, the daikon gets tender but stays crisp, not mushy, and the pork doesn't dry out. After around 4 minutes, I'll add the chives, the chili if I'm using it, and a sprinkle of ground pepper. Give it a quick stir, then turn off the heat. Transfer everything to a plate or bowl, and that's it. With just a few easy steps, I've got a nutritious, healthy dish ready to go. The daikon comes out tender and full of flavor, while the pork is soft, juicy, and has that rich, satisfying taste. I really hope you'll enjoy trying this recipe from today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now, and I'll see you all in the next one.